How to enable dark mode in Microsoft Copilot application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using the Microsoft Copilot app on an Android tablet or smartphone, then let me first make it clear that the Microsoft Copilot app does not have its own dark mode switch. Instead, it automatically follows your device's dark mode settings. So in order to enable it, first of all, go ahead and open up the settings application on your smartphone or tablet, and inside the settings app, scroll down from the left-hand side and click on Display and Brightness. Now inside Display and Brightness, tap on Dark Mode at the top. Once you change your device's theme to dark mode, go ahead and open up the Microsoft Copilot app. Now there you go. Your Microsoft Copilot application also appears in dark mode. The Microsoft Copilot app automatically matches your Android device's appearance settings. So this means whenever you switch your phone or tablet between light mode and dark mode, Copilot will change with it. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.